Welcome to my channel. It's a pattern good for headband or bag straps. Let's start now. Pull yarn and chain 1. Next, make 1 single crochet. Next, pull yarn, and pull yarn again through this loop. Repeat like that another 10 times. There are 11 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull yarn through 5 loops. Next, chain 3. Yarn over and pull it through 2 loops. Chain 3 again. Then yarn over and pull yarn through all the left loops. Chain 1. Now the second row. Into the first space, pull yarn and pull yarn through the loop, repeat 4 times. Next, insert into the middle of this stitch, pull yarn. Next, make 3 unfinished half double crochet into the same gap. Yarn over and pull yarn. That's 1 half double crochet. Into next space. Pull yarn and pull yarn again through the first loop. Repeat 4 times. Into the last stitch, pull yarn. Then pull yarn through 6 loops. Chain 3 times. Next, pull the loop through all the loops of the middle part. Chain 3. Next, pull yarn through all the left loops. Chain 1. This row be finished. From now, repeat the first and second row. Now we get suitable length. Take this button, connect it with single crochet stitches. For single crochet into the first space. The middle gap, 1 single crochet. For a single crochet again, we get the bag strap. Thanks for your company.